In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Yahoo Mail to Gmail. If you're tired of hopping between inboxes, this quick setup lets you read and manage your Yahoo messages right inside Gmail using a feature called Gmailify. It brings Gmail's powerful spam filtering, categories, and search to your Yahoo Mail, while keeping things in sync so your inbox stays tidy everywhere. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Gmail, or type mail.google.com in the address bar. Make sure you're on the official site with a secure connection before you sign in to your Google account. Once your inbox opens, look to the top right and click the gear icon, then choose. See all settings to open the full settings page. Across the top, click the Accounts and Import tab. In the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts, click Add a Mail Account. A small window will pop up. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them for Gmail so this window can appear. Enter your Yahoo email address and click Next. On the next screen, choose Link Account with Gmailify, then click Next again. Gmailify is the easiest way to keep both accounts in harmony. It brings your Yahoo messages into Gmail with read and unread status synced, applies Gmail's spam protection, and lets you use familiar tools like stars, labels, and powerful search without moving your mail out of Yahoo. You'll be redirected to Yahoo to grant permission. Sign into your Yahoo account in the window that appears, review the access request, and click Agree to allow Gmail to securely fetch and manage your messages. This authorization enables Gmail to retrieve mail on your behalf and keep everything synchronized. When you see the confirmation that you've been mailified, click Close. That's it. Your Yahoo messages will begin to appear in Gmail. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially if your Yahoo inbox is large, so give it a moment and refresh if needed. New emails sent to your Yahoo address will also arrive in Gmail, and actions like marking as read, archiving, and reporting spam will stay in sync between both services. A couple of tips as you wrap up. If you use multiple Google accounts, confirm you linked the correct one by checking the profile picture in the top right. You can verify the connection or unlink it later in the same Accounts and Import tab. For privacy and security, only approve permissions on official Yahoo and Google pages, and consider enabling two-step verification on both accounts. If Gmailify isn't offered for your account type, you may see different options. In that case, check the help resources for alternatives. You've successfully connected Yahoo Mail to Gmail with Gmailify. Enjoy your unified inbox.